Jitavrata Mridu. Danta. Danta means self-control. Danta, Danta. Danta means to become self-controlled, not to become disturbed by the senses. These are training for a first-class human being. But there is no class. Nowadays it is said classless. First class and last class, all one. This is the modern philosophy. But that is not very scientific proposal. The scientific proposal is that there is first-class man and there is 10th-class man, but everyone can be utilized for the ultimate goal of life. That is classless. And that means everyone can become Krishna conscious. It doesn't matter whether by his qualification he is first class or last class. Krishna consciousness is transcendental. First class, last class is considered in the material world. But so long one is not on the platform of Krishna consciousness, for him this training is required to become a first class. And for a Krishna conscious person, if he simply becomes Krishna conscious, then automatically he becomes a first class man. This is the secret of success. Kevalaya bhaktya vasudeva parayana dhunanti agham nihara miva bhaskara. Thank you very much.